Good morning, folks, and welcome back to another episode. This morning, it's actually storming quite a bit. Sorry, it's kind of jumbling this camera around. Like I was trying to say though, as you can see, it's storming. Look at that rain cloud. I hope you guys can see that. It's monster bass time. You know what that means. All week, I'm gonna be doing monster bass stuff. Freaking mayflies, dude. About to drop my box in the water. That would have been great. A little lightning in the background there. Today, we're breaking out the Monster Bass box, and we are definitely going to be unboxing this and seeing. I actually did open it. I wanted to go ahead and see what baits there are so I'd know how many, try to gauge how many rods to bring today. So let's go ahead and check this box out, man. Oh yeah, bam. Wow. Look how pronounced those are in the overcast weather. Really orange. Those are definitely going to catch something. Right out of the box, first thing, we got some rivets. These are called, it just says assorted colors. SRF, assorted colors. Rivets, those are dope. Actually, I have fished those quite a bit. I just started fishing them a couple years ago. And they've been a key player in some really cool techniques. I'll talk more about those techniques later on or some other time. I've actually already talked about it, but it didn't really work out that time. Live target coppers. Hollow body popper, Scott Martin frog. Maybe this live target frog would be pretty fire also. I'm pretty impressed with that. I like that. All right, so we've got another frog from Hendrix Fishing. Check them out on Instagram and Facebook. Definitely, that's just gonna get bit. Hollow body frog. It's good. It's got a white bottom with kind of a black and just a real frog toad pattern, whatever. This is really cool, guys. So Monster Bass just recently started making their own line of baits. This is the Patriot 2.0. They've already had the Ragnar, the cracked out Ragnar in some of the Monster Bass boxes. And this is a whole lot like it, but it's the Monster Bass edition. Limited edition. You're gonna get these exclusive from the Monster Bass baits first before anywhere else, or from the Monster Bass boxes, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but I think subscription holders get these baits before they go on the shelves or anything like that. And then, what do we have here? We've got some canine fishing fluorocarbon. Fluorocarbon is something that I don't have a lot of experience fishing, so this is kind of cool. I'm probably going to spool up the whole thing. I was going to use it just for leaders, but probably going to spool up the whole spool, put a backing on it, spool the rest of it up, and use it as my crankbait or on my crankbait and jerkbait rod. There's a bunch of little bait fish popping right here in front of me. Last but not least, we have some EWGs, 3/0 EWG hooks. Those are definitely going to come in handy when I go to throw these rivets here. Definitely have to have some terminal. So we got everything we need to make something happen. Especially, early this morning, top water. These baits are just gonna get bit. Let's take a few pictures and then get some baits tied up and see if we can catch some fish before the storm moves in on me too much and I have to leave. I mean, as you can see, look out there, dude. It's getting pretty rough. If we don't get bit here, I'm just gonna keep this video going. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but we're gonna get this slam completed. The next video will be the slam. Really sweet though, hope you guys enjoyed. If you dig Monster Bass, drop down there in the description. I've got a link, appreciate it. If you guys would use my link, it'll help me out. Like I was saying though, I'm gonna get off here, try to toss some of these baits up and rip a lip. See you in the Monster Bass Slam.